Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Tuesday that self-reliance will be India's priority in the face of coronavirus crisis and assured that economic growth will return soon as the country leaves behind lockdown period and enters unlock phase 1. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said India will get its growth back and that the government has already started taking steps towards boosting the economy with eased guidelines under the Unlock Phase 1 strategy. Addressing the inaugural session of the Confederation of Indian Industry or CII's annual session to mark 125 years of its inception, the Prime Minister said that self-reliance will be India's priority in the face of coronavirus crisis. Prime Minister Modi offered the industry a new mantra of Made in India, Made for the World to focus on while developing new products and new ideas. India on Monday entered the first phase of the Unlock Plan announced by the centre, which allows various economic activities to resume.
India will get its growth back. साथियों, कोरोना ने हमारी स्पीड जितनी भी धीमी की हो, लेकिन आज देश की सबसे बड़ी सच्चाई यही है कि भारत लॉकडाउन को पीछे छोड़कर अनलॉक फेज 1 में एंटर कर चुका है। अनलॉक फेज 1 में इकोनॉमी का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा खुल चुका है।
As India loosened lockdown to kickstart its ailing economy, 8,171 more COVID-19 cases were reported in the last 24 hours on Tuesday, taking the total number of cases to 198,706, including 97,581 active cases. Even migrant workers who were stranded across the country continue to return home, and coronavirus cases have risen steadily following their movement, forcing authorities in several parts of the country to seal borders with neighbouring states.